Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your account with BitPay step by step clearly. To start verifying your account with BitPay, visit the official BitPay website. Click on the sign in button located in the upper right corner. Enter your email address and password, then select the login option. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the verification section in the menu. Click on Start Verification to initiate the process. You will be prompted to provide basic personal information such as your name, address, and date of birth. Fill in the required fields accurately and click Continue. Next, you'll need to upload a valid form of identification. Accepted forms include a driver's license, passport, or government-issued ID. Make sure the document is clear and legible before uploading. After uploading, you may be asked to provide additional verification, such as a selfie. Follow the instructions to take and submit your photo. Once you've completed all steps, review your information for accuracy. Submit your verification request by clicking the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation email regarding the status of your verification. Please allow some time for BitPay to process your request. Once verified, you will receive another email confirming your account status. Now your BitPay account is ready for transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.